Today on the Peninsula, convicted killer Scott Peterson appeared in San Mateo County Superior Court asking for a new trial. And our Dan Noyes was in court and has been going over the latest filings. He is here with the latest developments on this.
Well, Dan and Alma, the hearing was largely procedural, setting dates for future legal briefs, replies, and hearings. It's just an immense undertaking, going through all the evidence to decide if Peterson deserves another trial. On my cell phone, I captured the executive director of the Los Angeles Innocence Project entering the courtroom with Scott Peterson's half-brother and his sister-in-law, Janie Peterson. She became a lawyer to fight for his acquittal. Inside, Scott Peterson, now 51, appeared from Mule Creek State Prison 40 miles outside Sacramento with that new ponytail. He only addressed the court a few times, here to say he would also appear at future hearings by Zoom.
Mr. Peterson, is that correct? All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
The L.A. Innocence Project filed a 1,500-page brief with exhibits asking for a new trial based on what it claims is evidence withheld from Peterson's defense team.
The defense was entitled to those at the time of trial. Mr. Peterson has been waiting 20 years to find some of these police reports and audio recordings and video recordings that should have been provided.
Court records show the L.A. Innocence Project is focusing on this van found torched a mile away from the Peterson home the day after Lacey disappeared, with a mattress that tested positive for blood. That sample appears not to have been compared to Lacey's blood. Several witnesses who claim to have spotted Lacey talking to the occupants of that van seen near a burglary across the street from her home, and other witnesses who claim to have seen Lacey alive in the hours after Scott left for a fishing trip the morning of Christmas Eve 2002. The original prosecuting attorneys from the Peterson trial are back to handle this appeal, asking for more time to file an answer to that massive L.A. Innocence Project motion.
The exhibits came to us later than the initial pleadings, and so that's been one of the delays for us, having to go through each of those particular exhibits.
Harris also asked the court to reveal the names of witnesses that have been blacked out in the recent filings.
The people have never been provided with an unredacted copy of those reports. We still do not know who these witnesses are. They're anonymous to us.
Judge Elizabeth Hill did not hear arguments today, just set dates for future filings and hearings. Noted San Mateo County criminal defense attorney Paula Canny was there.
They wanted Scott Peterson to get convicted more than they wanted to have the truth be told.
She acted as a commentator during the murder trial and offered her opinion of today's hearing.
How the system should work in a perfect world is the police are completely forthright, are completely transparent, give everything. And that's not what happened in this case.
Neither side in this case would comment before or after today's hearing. They are due back in court several times, July 15th being the last date on the calendar, so 3 more to come.
It's amazing. We're still talking about this all these years later.
Right. Yeah.